What's up, Jose? It's Jose.
It's Jose Joe! And Megan and Khalifa. That's the guy that Melissa talks about Megan. Remember? So she's not single anymore. Cousin Val, Ronnie. This is Mike Gonzalez. This is Ruben's uncle, right?
Yeah.
See? Ruben's uncle. I told you I was related to him. Angela. Say hi to Jose! There's our bus. To the bus.
On to the bus.
Ooh, fancy.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah, these are totally bad. I found them before.
Keep going. Back to the back of the bus.
Out of the way?
Why, because I'm not. She's the one to lead you all, isn't she?
Hey, this is really neat. Oh, come on. Here, let's sit down with her right here. Huh? Right here. Oh, the TV. Yeah. Yeah, I can sit right here.
I want to record the back because
I want to see if there's a stripper pole back there.
It comes down. Somebody's got to stand up there. Motorized, press the button and the pole comes
I don't know if there's room back here. Ooh, milk stud.
Leo. Hi.
what's up, Bill?
Hey.
Are we just doing video?
You're weird. Check out it on YouTube. That's how we communicate. That's the bus driver.
That's so cute.
Tagging me on Facebook or something?
Where am I going?
Bus driver. Bus driver's gone wild.
Are you guys?
No, because it's already full. There might be a couple.
There you go.
Okay, this is good.
I'm sitting
People
on.
sit there, we can stand up, so we're not going far. You guys can be a little tight.
No, it's okay.
Move this a little bit.
And these are the people that are going to have to stand on the bus because there's no more seats. Can I see your wristband, ma'am? Can I see your wristband? Ma'am. Ma'am, can I see your wristband? Ma'am.
I didn't say nothing.
Say hi to Jose.
Hi, Jose. Whoa, watch out. It's a long trip back there.
There's Bobby, my number 2. My second choice if you mess up. Shelly. She's going to be gone in a couple minutes.
That's cold.
Sauce of the week.
Oh, girl, you're something else.
Bye, babe. Chris. Chris. Oh, VIP.
Take a picture of the lady. She might not make it.
She's gonna be gone. We're not gonna have no this at home, my baby.
Exciting! We have our own personal entrance. Bye. And Loopy playing Hillbilly Golf. Oh! Oh, she was so close. She was closer than all of us. Ronnie, go. Ronnie, try it.
Okay.
Those aren't real golf balls. They don't bounce.
Oh. Gotta get closer.
Don't let your mom show you up.
Fingers in his head. That's fine.
Yikes. Oh. I landed like right in front of her.
They don't have
Not close enough. Hillbilly golf fail. And we also got washers going on. Bye. Party foul!